How to see all backup photos in Google Photos. So first of all, open your Google Photos. And then from here, you can see this is your current gallery. From here, make sure that you are on the specific account that you want the backup to. So right now here you can see this is my profile and I am good. So after doing that, here you can see these are all of the photos in my current gallery. And in here, you can see this specific cloud-like icon in here with a tick mark. That basically means that this photo is backed up on my Google Photos. And in here, you can also see the same logo in this photo too. But if you see in this photo, we don't have that logo. That basically means that these photos are not yet backed up. So if you want to back up these photos too, you can simply tap on them and then you can get backup now option right here. Simply tap on it and then you can see one item backing up within few seconds. Here you can see, you can now go back. You can see we have the same logo in here. That basically means that this photo is also now backed up. So if you want to back up all of your photos, what you can do is simply tap on your profile icon right here. After doing that, here you can see backup is off. You can see the option of turn on backup, tap on it. And then you can now select if you want to decrease your quality or you want the original quality. Decreasing your quality might help you save some storage. I'm going to select just that, and then you can now tap on confirm. After doing that, now the backup process has begun. Here you can see the same logo in here, and just like this, you now know that your photos have successfully been backed up on your Google Photos. And that is it. I hope this video was helpful to you guys. If it was, please do not forget to hit that subscribe button and like our video. Thank you so much for watching. See you in the next.